Do you often find yourself rushing to the bathroom? If yes, then you might be dealing with a condition called overactive bladder, or OAB. OAB is a common condition that affects many individuals worldwide and is characterized by frequent, uncontrollable urges to urinate. You might experience sudden, strong urges to urinate even when your bladder isn't full, or you might find yourself waking up multiple times at night to go to the bathroom. These symptoms can significantly impact your daily life, from your work productivity to your sleep quality and even your social interactions. It's essential to understand that while these symptoms can be bothersome, they are not something you have to live with. Seeking professional medical advice is crucial for the proper diagnosis and management of OAB. Your healthcare provider can offer a comprehensive diagnosis and tailored treatment plan to help manage your symptoms effectively. But don't worry, there are several natural remedies available that can help manage the symptoms of OAB. These remedies range from lifestyle modifications to dietary changes and natural supplements, which we'll delve into in the upcoming segments. So stick around, you might just find the relief you've been seeking. The first line of defense against overactive bladder, commonly known as OAB, often lies within our day-to-day lifestyle and behavioral changes. Yes, that's right, the power to manage OAB can largely be in your hands, and it starts with a few simple tweaks in your routine. Let's delve into the specifics. Our bodies are complex systems that react to what we consume. Certain substances, known as bladder irritants, can aggravate OAB. These include alcohol, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, citrus fruits, and even chocolate. By reducing or eliminating these from our diets, we can help alleviate the symptoms of OAB. But that's not all. Smoking has been linked to a myriad of health issues, and OAB is no exception. Quitting smoking can significantly improve OAB symptoms. It's not an easy task, but the benefits for your overall health and well-being are more than worth it. Another lifestyle change that can have a positive impact on OAB symptoms is weight loss. Excess weight can put extra pressure on the bladder and contribute to OAB symptoms. So, maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can be beneficial in managing OAB. Now let's talk about bladder control techniques. These are practices that can help you gain better control over your bladder. Scheduled urination, for instance, is a technique where you urinate at set times each day, regardless of whether you feel the need or not. Delayed urination, on the other hand, involves gradually increasing the time between trips to the bathroom. Double voiding is another technique where you urinate, then wait a few minutes and try again to ensure your bladder is completely empty. But remember, while these changes can help, they may not be enough on their own. You may also need to consider natural remedies. Drinking enough water is crucial, but so is managing when you drink it. Hydration is inherently tied to our bladder health. It's all about balance. Our bodies need adequate water to function properly, but the timing of our hydration can significantly influence our bladder habits. Think of it this way: the more you drink, the more your bladder has to work. And if your bladder is already overactive, excessive fluid intake can exacerbate the problem, leading to frequent trips to the bathroom, especially at night. This is where hydration management comes in. It's not just about how much you drink, but when you drink. By limiting your fluid intake in the evenings, you can help reduce those disruptive nighttime bathroom visits. However, remember, reducing doesn't mean eliminating. It's important to stay adequately hydrated throughout the day. And here's a pro tip: avoid bladder irritants like alcohol, caffeine, and artificial sweeteners, especially before bedtime. These can stimulate your bladder, making your symptoms more pronounced. Now let's move on to some natural remedies that can further aid in managing OAB. There are several herbs and supplements that may be effective in treating overactive bladder, but remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new regimen. Let's dive into the world of natural remedies, where Mother Nature lends a helping hand in easing the symptoms of OAB. A blend of traditional herbs, for instance, has been used for centuries to support bladder health. These herbs, often including plants like saw, palmetto, and cleavers, work synergistically to soothe an irritable bladder and promote urinary health. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat, might seem like an unlikely candidate for bladder health. However, some research suggests that it can help reduce the urgency and frequency of urination. It's believed to work by desensitizing the bladder nerves, thus reducing the signals that trigger the urge to urinate. Pumpkin seed extract is another natural remedy with a long history of use in urinary health. It's thought to support bladder muscle health and may help reduce urinary frequency, particularly during the night. Saw palmetto, a plant native to the southeastern United States, has been used to treat urinary symptoms for hundreds of years. It's believed to work by reducing inflammation and improving muscle tone in the bladder. Cactus extract, though less commonly known, has shown promise as a natural remedy for OAB. It's believed to work by reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy urinary system. Magnesium, a vital mineral for overall health, can also play a role in managing OAB. It can help relax bladder muscles, reducing the frequency of contractions that can cause urgency and frequent urination. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, has been linked to bladder health. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with increased bladder frequency, so maintaining healthy levels could help manage OAB symptoms. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples, has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce bladder inflammation and irritation. Corn silk, the silky threads from a corn cob, has been used traditionally to soothe the urinary tract and could potentially help with OAB symptoms. Finally, cleavers, a type of climbing plant, has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of urinary problems, including OAB. Its diuretic properties may help flush out the urinary system, potentially reducing the frequency and urgency of urination. These natural remedies, combined with the right lifestyle changes, can significantly improve the symptoms of OAB. So to recap, overactive bladder, or OAB, is a condition that can significantly affect your daily life, but there are ways to manage it. It's characterized by frequent and uncontrollable urges to urinate, which might seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and resources, it's entirely manageable. We've discussed that the first line of defense against OAB is lifestyle and behavioral changes. Steering clear of bladder irritants like alcohol, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, citrus fruits, and chocolate can go a long way in easing symptoms. Quitting smoking, withdrawing from certain medications, losing weight, and adopting bladder control techniques such as scheduled urination, delayed urination, and double voiding can significantly improve OAB symptoms. Hydration management is another crucial aspect of managing OAB. It's vital to drink enough water throughout the day, but avoid excessive fluid intake before bedtime to reduce nighttime urination. Lastly, we delved into natural remedies for OAB, which include a variety of herbs and supplements such as traditional herbs blend, capsaicin, pumpkin seed extract, saw palmetto, cactus extract, magnesium, vitamin D, bromelain, corn silk, and cleavers. However, remember that these should always be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional to ensure safety and efficacy. In the end, it's important to remember that each person is unique and what works for one might not work for another. Therefore, a comprehensive diagnosis and tailored treatment plan, like those offered by Advanced Urology Institute, are essential to effectively managing OAB. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker. We'll see you in the next video.